My sleep's certainly going to be
What time
disrupted.
will you be here in the morning?
I don't know. We'll see. But these storms are going to keep many of us up tonight. They may wake you up during the overnight hours. That's what we're going to be dealing with, that line of storms. And here's the concerns that we're going to have as far as the severe weather threat is concerned as well. Looks like damaging winds will be the greatest concern for us across the area. Large hail as well. But we are going to have a line or broken line of storms moving through, and that could bring some damaging winds, maybe up around 60 miles per hour. Tornado threat's going to be very low, so we're not as really concerned about that with the storms that move through. So it's not zero, but it is going to be very low for us. Greater risk for that as we get up along the Red River on into Oklahoma. And flooding, not going to be a great concern either. There will be some heavier rain. There could be some ponding in some areas that we're going to be dealing with, but this should be a fairly fast moving line of storms as it works its way through. But again, we'll still have to watch out for maybe some isolated flooding concerns out there for you as well. Now, as far as the rain is concerned, this morning, not going to see a whole lot. For most of the day, we will stay mainly dry, but we are starting to see a few scattered showers well south of the Metroplex now, moving up the I-35 and I-45 corridor. So similar to what we saw yesterday as far as the showers are concerned here early today. But here's the severe weather risk for today. We are talking about a marginal to slight risk. Hail up to quarter size, that damaging wind gust. That's going to be the main concern, maybe up to 60 miles per hour. And you see the yellow shaded area there from along and north of I-20 up along the Red River. That's where we'll have the greatest risk for severe storms as that line begins to move through later on tonight. So here's a look at the timecast for you. It's isolated showers through the morning hours, maybe a thunderstorm or two late in the day heading into the evening. But again, the main event will be closer to midnight and after. Here comes that front working its way in. And as it does after midnight, between 3, 5, 6 a.m., it looks like the best time frame around the Metroplex for the showers and storms. So we'll have the rain and storms along and just ahead of that front as it works its way across the area. During the overnight hours, you see around 6 a.m., showers and storms beginning to move out of the Metroplex. And that should be the case as we head towards sunrise and after. So the morning commute, we'll still have the residual effects from the storms that are moving through. But it looks like the rain will be out for the height of the morning rush. It looks like the way it looks now anyway, and then we will continue to clear out as we go through the day, and those temperatures will begin to cool down a little bit more for us too as we head into Halloween there on Thursday. In the meantime, those winds are going to be gusty, 30 miles per hour, taking you out to Love Field right now. A very warm and humid 73 degrees, and we're looking at those highs again today in the upper 80s. Now, so the 14-day forecast, temperatures will take a dip as we head into tomorrow. We'll still be up around 75, maybe 76, and then as we get into the upcoming weekend, rain is back in the forecast. So a nice little break for trick-or-treaters there on Thursday, but then the rain is back as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Widespread showers and storms once again. Those temperatures climb back close to 80 early next week, and then we begin to cool down though once again by late next week. Daytime highs not getting out of the upper 60s, so we're looking forward to that. All right, one more check on traffic. Back over to the station.